So, hi guys, and welcome back. So, I just got done doing the unboxing and the whole putting together this whole custom planner from the Happy Planner. I absolutely love this, and I really hope that they keep this concept going. I got to pick the cover, the disc, and the weekly layout to build a planner that basically it is me. So, I love it. I love this leather cover. It's just the beige to cream. Of course, I am a Goldie girl. And another option, which I stated at the end of the last video, is you have the option to add these extension packs to your planner. They're $6 a piece. At least whenever I purchased them. I don't know what they will be at the time of this video, but they they have so many varieties that it's ridiculous. But I picked the three that I thought would be best for me, which is the budget, stress management, and meal planning. So I'm just going to go over one of them in each of these videos, just in case if you're only interested in one but not the other. So if you just give me a quick little break here, when I come back, I will move on to the next extension pack. Alrighty, so it looks like the first one that we're going to go over is the meal planning extension pack. And I'm just going to move this over to the side. And guys, that thing is gorgeous. It definitely has exceeded what I thought was going to be being delivered. So I'm kind of curious to see what these are. Okay, because they do not let you see what they are when you're buying them. So we're going to get to see these together. So this is the meal planning option. So it already comes with stickers. I didn't even know that it came with stickers. There are so many stickers. Okay, so there's like little mini date stickers, just little recipe icons. Again, I love the neutral color palettes of these, and just the little icons are so cute. So, like I said, many dates. I'm wondering how many dates are included in this. So, we have the month of. Okay, and then it gives you an undated calendar where the planner itself is dated. And, oh, guys, this is so cool. Like I said, we are going through this together. I have no idea what I purchased. I just figured $6. You know what? I'll try it. Okay, so you got 6 different recipes, and then you can list out the ingredients. These are for your separate grocery list for, I'm guessing, these recipes right here. And oh my god. Okay, so it gives you a weekly breakdown to actually plan the meals, which is something I don't do. It even gives you an area for like to prep your ingredients, which a lot of the times I think I'm going to be making a meal, but then I completely forget to, defrost something or marinate something. So this is what the undated weekly pages look like. So that is actually, and I love the room. I love how it's not just like a little tiny box. I don't know if you remember the like the original wellness planners. It was before they like even had like the fitness one. It was kind of like all mushed together. And I mean, it was a great concept, but there was really not enough room to write. So I am liking this layout, and I did notice that this right here, the dots, it matches the pages that are in my planner. So, okay, so here, this would be like the monthly start page. So it has like the recipes to try, the mealtime recipe name, and then just a culinary notes area. And again, it starts with that undated section, and you get the calendars in that again, and of course the grocery list. So I'm guessing these are like 6 recipes that you want to try for that month, and then these are the grocery lists that you would collect to get those things. I'm guessing that's how I'm gonna use it. If you got any ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. Again, let me know what you think of these. I'm saying for $6, guys. This is kind of cool. This is like having your own little meal planning planner here for $6. So I need to see exactly how many months actually come with this. I'm just staring at the planner. I'm not actually counting how many months we got. So okay, let's see here. This is going to be 1 month. I am wondering, is it 6 months? Because I mean, I got a 12. What is it? A 12-month planner. That's what I'm trying to say. Now we know why I do voiceovers instead of talking. Okay. Trying to find the monthly page. There are a lot of freaking weeks to this thing. Okay, so that would be month 1. I do love the monthly though. Like I do think that the monthly layout they could have did away with this, but you know, who am I? Who am I? Okay, let's see here. I do feel like you got a good amount of weeks. So that's 2. I'm going to say this is 6 months. What? Okay, 3. Wish I could count faster, guys. Okay, that's 4. Still a lot left over. 5. Oh, it's got to be 6. Yep. Okay, so it is a 6-month extension. And I'm going to have to say, the thing that I already like about it is the fact that it is undated. So, you know what I mean? Like, you're not really stuck using all of it. And well, I want to reword that. I'm sorry. it's been a long day at work. I like the fact that it's undated because there are times that it's not gonna fit, is it? Because I mean, you know what I mean. Like sometimes you feel like that is not gonna fit. So, I don't know, what am I trying to say? This is after work Sally, who is kind of like brain dead and in really need of a bubbly. Okay, so the whole undated part of it, some months you may start out and you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna use all of this, and then life just gets in the way, and of course you don't. And I mean, with it being undated, you can really start and use this anytime that you want. You don't need to use it in the monthly part of it. And I don't know, that is like one of the things that I really enjoy about undated planners, other than like redating the whole thing. But I mean, I can't really see myself using the monthly part of this. The weekly part is excellent, but like I said, I don't know. I don't really need the monthly layout on this. I already have the monthly layout in the planner itself. So what I'm going to do is, I don't really want to carry all of these pages in it, so I'm just going to put a month in at a time, and I'm going to keep them directly behind the month that I'm working on. And I'm really curious to see if they all fit in this planner. And I love that the colors just go together. It just all matches. So now we can see Like I have July, and I got the meal planning right after it. And again, this is the thing that I love about the Happy Planner, is that you have the pages and they're on these removable discs. So I can just move this up if I want to, but I'm definitely keeping it in that because I mean, I want to look at the little dishes. They are cute. So, again, guys, that was the meal planning extension pack that you could purchase alongside your custom planner. I do have a link down in the description below. It gives you a nice little discount, and it also gives me a nice little discount too. So feel free to use my affiliate link. And again, let me know down in the description your thoughts and ideas on this meal planning extension pack. So with that, guys, I'm going to close out the video. And again, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to see more Plan With Me's.